We'll guide you through how to fix Bluetooth not working in Windows 11. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like, and let's get into this. This video applies if you're trying to connect your PC from another device, or if you're trying to connect to another device from your PC. For the first method, you need to go and open up your settings. To do that, just come to the bottom of Windows and go and click on the Start button, and then go and click on Settings. If you can't see the Settings app, go and search for it. Once you're in settings, head over to the left and tap on Bluetooth and devices. And what you first need to do is make sure Bluetooth is actually turned on. In this case, mine isn't, so I'm going to toggle the switch and it's now on. So this means that other devices can now go and see my PC and it's now discoverable. So if you're trying to connect to it, that should go and fix that problem. The next thing you need to do is go and click on View More Devices like this, and then go and scroll down like this until you go and see this section called Related Settings and tap on More Bluetooth Settings. And what you need to do is, in this pop-up here called Bluetooth Settings, make sure Allow Bluetooth Devices to Find This PC is enabled. And then what you want to do is hit Apply, then go and click OK, and you can go and close off your settings. For the next method, we need to open up the Services application on our computer. So come to the bottom and tap on Search and just type in Services like this and open the app up. It will take a moment to launch. And then what we need to do is go and locate Bluetooth. So scroll down here, it's all in alphabetical order. And then as you can see here, I've got these three options. We've got Bluetooth Audio Gateway, Bluetooth Support, and Bluetooth User Service. So what you want to do is click on each of these. We'll start at the top and right click on it and go into Properties. And then what you want to do is make sure the startup type is set to automatic like that, and make sure that it's running. If it isn't, go and click Start and then press Apply. And you want to do this for each of these. So I'll then go and right click on this one, Properties, and make sure startup type is set to automatic, make sure it's running and press Apply. And then I'll do the same for this one here as well. Right click on it, press Properties, and then make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and then go and click Apply. If you go and get this pop up here, you'll just have to go and cancel it, but just do the ones which you can do. After making changes to your services, make sure you go and restart your computer. So press on the Start button, then the Power button, and go and restart it. For the next method, we're going to go and update our Bluetooth driver. To do that, go to the bottom and go and click on Search, and you want to go and type in Device Manager just like this and go and open it up. And what you then want to do is go into Bluetooth. You need to expand it, and you want to go through these different drivers here, and we want to go and make sure they're all up to date. So right click on it again and press Properties, and then go to Driver, and then click on Update Driver like this. Press search automatically, and then as you can see in this case, the best ones are already installed, and go and repeat that for each of these here. Then try using Bluetooth and go and see if your problem is fixed. If it still isn't fixed, then once again, come to the bottom of your computer, go and open up your browser like this, and then what you want to do is go and type in Intel Bluetooth driver just like this. And what we're going to go and do is just go and download the Bluetooth drivers from Intel. So go to the official Intel website and scroll down, and then just go and click on this version under package version. Get the latest version. It's likely this will be different for you if you're watching this in the future. And then just make sure you get the version for Windows 11 or whatever OS you're using, maybe Windows 10. Press download. I've already read the license agreement, so that's fine. And yeah, wait for this to finish downloading. And after it's finished downloading, go and find the installer in your downloads folder and simply go and run it. It's super easy. It's just like installing any other application. And after it's finished installing, I recommend just going and restarting your computer just to make sure that everything is fully installed, and then try using Bluetooth again. And finally, if your Bluetooth still isn't working, come to the bottom and click on Search and just type in Troubleshoot like this, and you should go and have this pop up here called Troubleshoot Settings. And then what you want to do is go and click on Other Troubleshooters and wait for this to load, and then go into Other, and we've got Bluetooth here, and then what we can do is click on Run like this. And as you can see, it then says Bluetooth connection problems. And then what you can do is go through here and see if you can solve your problem. So press yes if you consent to it. And what you can do is go through here and it's going to go and try and fix your problem with Windows updates and things like that. So follow the instructions, and that will hopefully go and fix your Bluetooth problems if you haven't already fixed them with this video. I hope you found this useful and it fixed your problem. Bye.